Today I'm going to harvest my first Siberian cherry tomato. I'm going to test it out, of course, but I want to save the seeds. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm interested in saving the seeds because this Siberian cherry, the seeds apparently are not available anymore, or at least not now. And this variety apparently does well in cold weather. So I want to see if I can grow this type of tomato in winter. Okay, let's check it out. It is not a great day for audio on the balcony. It is so windy. Check out how windy this can be. Okay, so I'm getting my information on how to save seeds from this Seed Saver's Handbook. So I'm going to try and follow the instructions as closely as I can. It says to let the tomato ripen to just beyond eating stage. Now I'm not sure about this one, it looks perfectly edible to me. Now I don't want to waste the tomato, I'm going to actually eat it. So I'm going to try and scoop out the seeds and then I'll save them. Let's check it out. Interesting. Try and scoop some out now. Okay, I think I've got most of the seeds out. I'm going to use those to try and save the seeds, and we'll have a nice tomato sandwich with this. Okay, so it says to put the seeds into a jar or a bowl, add some water is optional, and then leave it for 2 or 3 days. I'm just going to take some of this extra stuff out. Okay, I put a bit of water in there. I have to leave it for 2 or 3 days, and then the fermentation process will happen, and then after a few days I have to wash it and dry the seeds. So let's see how we go.
3 days later.
Let's have a look. Whew. Bit of a funky smell. Now I'm just going to strain them.
Many minutes later.
Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I'm just going to try and separate the globby bits.
1 eternity later.
So I've separated most of the globby stuff away from the seeds. So I'm going to rinse them one more time. So this time, I'm going to put this piece of paper down and try and dry out these seeds. So I've got the seeds on the paper, and now I'm going to separate them to individuals. Now they're all separated. Later, when they're dry a bit, I'm going to put them in an envelope. And I've got one of these silica gel things that I'm going to put in just to try and make sure that they don't start sprouting. I might save a couple that I'll try and germinate immediately, and I'll try and get some more Siberian cherry tomatoes. So I've got these ones drying, and I've put a few in this bag here. And I'm going to put in the cupboard and try and germinate them. And so they're on the damp paper towel, and I'm going to put them this way so the root grows down and doesn't get tangled in the paper towel. I'll leave a link in the description with the YouTuber that had a video on this where I basically learnt it, and it's amazing.